Online coaches and marketers, I'm going to show you a way to get thousands and thousands of leads for your online business that you can potentially turn into clients. Whether you got a $97 offer or $20,000 mastermind, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to show you a secret way, and it's not what you think it is. Now, if you do this, you're not only going to get hundreds, if not thousands of leads, you're going to build your authority, you're going to get more clients, you're going to make more money, you're going to get more followers just by understanding this. Now, Answer the Public, you've probably seen these videos on TikTok or YouTube. Everyone's using it, how amazing Answer the Public is, how they've grown their business. And I don't believe that for a second. See, online coaching marketing, okay? I've searched for that. How to market online coaching, how online coaching works, marketing online course Australia. It sounds okay, but it's not amazing, okay? So if you were to do content on this, people aren't really searching for this, even though Answer the Public says that people are searching for it. I've never really liked it too much, but a lot of people get sucked in because they see other videos of people doing videos about Answer the Public and how it's changed their life. I don't believe it. I'm actually going to show you a better way. And if you're not an expert, even better, because it works if you're a newbie. So you're going to put online coaching marketing. Now, maybe you're not an online coach. Maybe you're a personal trainer. Maybe you're a video editor and you've got a course to sell people coaching on how to edit videos with CapCut, or it doesn't matter. But what I want you to do is I want you to type in your niche, whoever you are. So I help marketers with strategy, website design, and sales funnels. So if this was me, I'd be putting in sales funnels. But for this video, I'm just going to put online coaching marketing. Now, what I want you to do is, people also ask, Google is going to show you what people are actually searching for, not this stuff. This is just very basic stuff. Like, don't use this. Do this, and it's quicker. So put in your niche, who you are, yeah? How do I market my online coaching? What does digital marketing coach do? So what I want you to do is I want you to click on one, click off one, click on one, click off one, click on one, click off one. And I want you to keep doing this until you have maybe 50, yeah? Now, obviously take more time doing this. I'm just doing this really, really quickly for an example, just to show you what this is. Now I have maybe 40, 30. Where do life coaches advertise? How do I find high paying clients? How do I start coaching business checklist? Is paying for a coach worth it? Imagine if you were to do content on every single one of these things on social media. So people are actually searching for this on Google, yeah? Specific keywords people are searching for in your country, but more importantly, I want you to put this on your website. So if you don't have a website, you can contact me. I can design you an amazing looking website. This is what I specialize in. The last 3 years, my clients have generated $23 million in extra revenue based on strategy, structure, website design, sales funnels, stuff like that. So if you don't have a website, you can contact me. Message me, I'm very easy to have a conversation with. But if you already have a website, start writing blog posts. Imagine if you were to write a blog post every single day relating to what people are searching for on Google. In the next 12 months, you're going to have 365 blog posts so you're not only becoming an authority in your country, people are starting to trust you, they like you, and at the end of the blog post, you're going to have a link that sends people back into your offer, whether you use ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Go High Funnel, it doesn't really matter, but you're going to funnel people back into your landing page where they can buy your offer. This is crazy. So I'm giving you a strategy that is so good that if you were to follow this for the next 12 months, you're going to get thousands of leads, not only from Google, but people are going to naturally be following you on social media because this is what people are searching for. You're going to become an expert in your niche and just build that authority. And when that happens, your conversions are going to go up. You're going to make more money. You're going to get more clients. Everything's just going to be a lot easier. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, please drop a message. If you want me to build you a 7-figure website that's going to get you clients, let me know in the messenger. Send me a message. If you have a website, if you want me to help you with an upgrade, if you want me to help you with a system that helps you generate, more clients online, let me know. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.